Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is DawnDoesLife, and today I'm going to share with you some items that were sent to me by One Day Savings. They contacted me and asked me if I would share some things with you, and of course I said yes. So I'm just going to move these off to the side, but I will just tell you, this is the second time this is why they're out of the bag. This is the second time I'm filming this because I had a bit of an accident the first go round. And if you want to see it, I'm going to see if I can put a clip at the end of the video, hopefully. But anyways, so let's get to the items that they sent. Just three really quick things to show you. So first item is a partial kit. And I do have the information written down. So I always give the information in US funds. I'm up here in Canada, but they always give me my budget in US. So the first one is, they called it a diamond painting special shape bird, 30 by 30, and it was $3, and it is $3.79 on their site. But when I saw this, I just thought, oh my goodness, okay, first of all, the colors just spoke to me. And then, I don't know, just this weird bird design. You guys know I love birds. I fell in love with it. Like, honestly, it's gorgeous. I think it's totally gorgeous. It is a partial. There are 10 symbols on here, or 10 different drills on here. And so this portion that looks black or very dark brown is, nothing is going to be done in that. So it's just the birds on the black background that you're doing. Just going to check the stick really quick. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, it's good. So 10 symbols. You get a plain kit, very basic pen, boat, wax, and then your package of drills. And I will show them to you really quick just because there's a couple of special shapes in there. So all of these, the majority of them are just crystals. So we've got a yellow, we've got a green, purple, orange, a teal. That's a pretty color. A darker teal, and a red. And then you get into the special shape drills, and I'm going to try and come really close on that one because it's really neat. It looks, I don't know, it's giving me pineapple vibes, actually. It's a multifaceted, multicolored drill, but it also looks like a clear crystal. It's quite nice. And I don't know what they call that, like a teardrop or eye shape, but hopefully you guys can see that. I'll just come as close as I can with that, but it's a cool color. And then the same thing in a dark yellow, and then you get a fully opaque colored red. So they all look the same size, and the red one actually does have an ABBEY coating on it, and I will come really close on that one too so you can see it. It's kind of got a blue, green, gold vibe to it. So I think that'll look really pretty. But I just, like I said, this painting really, really is pretty. Do a quick measure of it. It is, I have to flatten this, 24 wide, and it should be the same down if it's square, 24 down. So it is a 24 square, not 30 by 30. I know that that's what it says, but on the budget sites, lots of times the paintings themselves are actually including the width of the border. So just to keep that in mind. But again, that's the $3.79 for that. I love the idea that this one is going to go fairly quickly. I think it'll go really quickly. And it's going to look really cool at the end, I think. I don't know. I think it will. Second item is also a really quick item. This is, I think they're called brayers. So it's just a roller, and it's something that you can use to roll your paintings out and push down your drills. It's a handy tool. I use my other one all the time, but my other one has wax residue on it, and I wanted one that I could also use on my Cricut. And I know when you buy items that are for Cricuts, they're quite a bit more expensive. So I got this one, and this one was $5.79 USD, and they did have a version that was shorter and it was a cheaper price, but I did want one that was wider. So I don't know if it's the same size as my other one. But my other one, oh yeah, it is too. My other one has, I don't know if you can see on here, but it's got residue from wax. And I've tried wiping it off, and it doesn't all come off. And then if I use it on my vinyl, it ends up transferring onto the vinyl or paper or whatever it is. So I didn't want to mix the two. I wanted to have one separate. So that's what that one's for. But again, this would be a great tool for, it's quite a bit more narrow. But it's got a metal handle, so it feels really, really secure. And this is a resin or hard plastic. Yeah, it feels very, very secure. So it would work really, really good for diamond painting or Cricuts. And the last item is I just covered up my paper. It is I'm trying to give you the name that they call it. It's a foldable stand for diamond painting light pad copy. And this was $13.09, which I actually thought was a really good price. I've seen them at other places higher in price. I'll just leave it at that. And so this is really good for, I like this one because it seemed more sturdy, or like it would be more sturdy. And so it has different levels on here, and you could go from quite low. And then I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different levels. So you get progressively higher. Reminds me of some of the laptop stands I've seen, but it is much smaller. And what you can do with it, I'll just put my small pad on here, is put your light pad, or oh jeez. Put your light pad on here and then have your diamond painting and paint this way. This isn't how I like to paint, but the reason I got this wasn't so much for the light pad, although that is what it is good for. I will show you. I like to use, I would say probably 95% of the time when I'm diamond painting, unless I'm doing a special drill that only has a few, I'm using my Elizabeth Ward knockoff trays. These are from AliExpress. So these are the version, I think some people have called them Huracan, but I've seen many different companies selling them on AliExpress. And these things are fantastic because they're modular. So, you know, if you notice here, I've got a wider one and then skinny ones, and then there's like great big long ones. So you can fit however many, if you have a package of really large amount of drills, you can customize it however you need to. So I always have it on the corner of my desk on this light pad stand that came with my small light pad. And eventually it always, after a while, and me like pushing on it and grabbing drills out of it, it's a little bit wobbly, and this tends to lean back after a while. And it's not a big deal. I mean, I just like grab it, bend it back up, get it back in place however I want to. But this being on the corner of my desk, and with this being open like this, I'm always afraid it's going to fall off. It hasn't yet. I just thought this wasn't quite as safe as I wanted for my diamond painting tray. So I thought I would give this one a try. And I liked that this one, like this one has a really good lip on it, and the tray just sits right in here, but then it's leaning on the table, and like I said, as it's wobbling, which it does, and I've tried to straighten this out I don't know how many times, and I can't. And you try tightening these things and they stay tight for a little bit and then they start to bend. So I just thought I would try something like this. Now, I may pick a way that I want this, and put something in here to make sure that it stays secure, but I really like that this is a complete back on here. And the idea, I'll do this very carefully. Hint, hint. I just moved my whole, like, pad and everything. Jeez, I'm so scared right now. Oh, you guys, watch the end of the video. Okay, so it's standing on here and it's like super sturdy. I love it. And then you just grab whichever drill you want, or whichever package of or color you need, and put it right back in. This is always what I've used it for. This thing came in a package and I was like, what am I gonna do with it? And then I got these trays and it was like, you know, ta-da, light bulb moment. Anyways, so that is what the plan is with that, is to switch it out so that, I don't know if I'll find something else to do with that, but I do like the idea. Like this, it's not wobbling at all. So go check them out, onedaysavingspringsale.com. I will leave links down in the description for their website, as well as the code for the $5 off coupon. If you like this video, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up. It's super supportive and I just think that would be great. And also, I would love it if you subscribe to the channel. Also super supportive, also super great. And other than that, I'm just going to say, go grab somebody you love, give them a great big hug. It feels good for them and for you. I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Bye. But I saw this one and I really liked it. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, I feel like if I move. Okay, let's put this back. So yeah, guys, this is a great idea. Maybe that's a little too high. Maybe I need it down one more. Jeez, I can't believe I did that. I hope I can find them all.